Start giving me anxiety over these card lobbies.
I just want to get some dubs, man. What the heck? Oh.
Burpee.
Yeah, kinda. I mean... Course not! What is this, amateur hour? The burps will live on forever. That's all. God, somebody send help.
Oh man,
Whee. I think I'm in love. Ugh. Now they won't stop.
I had a request for a 1-minute burp video. So here's me doing my best. Minute. Consecutively. But not one that I would probably die. Oh. What am I doing with my life?
Alright, burp fans, I did something today. Usually, I can burp on command, like these. See, pretty pathetic. But very recently, within the last 5 minutes, I learned how to do bigger burps on command. And just to show you it's on command. So, there you go, all you burp fans. What am I doing with my life? You ever just get home from work and drink a sour beer because you can? That shit hits different.
Questions entire life. Burpees to start the morning, yee.
Ugh, the last one was weird. Bye. Love y'all. If I could just get it together, I could go. At least do the burp right. Replying to this. Right, so what you do is you summon up the power of all your ancestors. I'm just kidding. That's all.
What's something that's incredibly immature that you will never stop doing?
That. Why? Because TikTok sucks. That's why! I swear, if I blow up on TikTok for burping, well, there's worse things to blow up for.